Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Seabrook. I'm aboard the 2020 Grady-White 325 Freedom. This boat is great for doing anything you can imagine. It's a twin console model powered by twin 300 Yamahas with the joystick Helmmaster system. Come aboard and let me show you some of the great features. I'm going to start on the back. This boat's designed for doing water sports, fishing, cruising, whatever. So we've got a retractable ski tow on the back. We've got a great fish box on the back. We have some more fish boxes in the front. And if you're not fishing, these all make great ice chests or storage compartments. Over here on the port side, we have a really nice aerated, lighted bait well. This boat has a dive door on the side. We have a ladder on the back of the boat, which is normal. And then we've got an additional ladder that goes in the side door. The side door is great for boarding at the boat dock, or for dragging larger fish in, or for scuba diving. Check out this nice entertainment area here. We've got a nice wet bar. We've got a nice grill, freshwater system, cutting board, refrigerator, drawers for storage. This boat's designed as an awesome fishing boat with excellent tow holes on the back and the side. But when you're not fishing, we can easily deploy the aft seat. We've got electrically operated seats here that form a nice L-shaped lounger. Got an electrically operated helm seat. Got a captain and companion seat with the thigh bolsters. Double wide seat on the side over here. This boat we have equipped with the wraparound curtains, so you can take her out in any kind of weather conditions you want. Additional storage up here. Nice skylight above. Check out this huge head compartment. We've got a really nice deluxe helm system. Plenty of room to mount multiple electronics. We have any brand you want. Doesn't matter what brand it is. We can handle the larger screens that are made today. Comes with the Yamaha computer system. We mentioned earlier the Helmmaster with the joystick. Moving forward, you'll see this awesome sleeper section. This boat does come with air conditioner and a generator to power it all up. Very comfortable boat no matter what conditions you're in. We have the electrically operated sun sure shade on the back of the boat, and then Grady has designed a really nice extra wide shade for the bow, so you can have shade up here or you can have sun up here. And every one of these cushions up here are actually removable, and it exposes a nice non-skid fishing platform underneath, so you can completely convert this boat from a fishing boat to a pleasure boat to a dinner cruiser. We even have an electric anchor windlass on the front. We've got a door you can close off here. It's a little chilly today, so we can close the windshield, close the door. We've got the wraparound curtains. This can take you out in any kind of weather conditions you want. Come check out this boat and many more of the other options we have here at MarineMax in Seabrook. I'm Paul. I'll be glad to help you.